Everything is connected. Welcome to Internet of Things. Message to the student. Welcome. So welcome all students, my students.
Welcome. Did you know that farmers can put sensors on their crops that tell them when to water, how much water is needed, and when to harvest? With this information, farmers can get the best quality and quantity from their crops. Coal miners can place sensors in a mine that detect tiny amounts of dangerous gases. This information saves lives. The Internet of Things, IoT, describes a growing industry of digital technology being harnessed to the Internet in ways that will improve the lives of every person on this planet. We can only guess at the number and types of jobs it will create. Maybe you would like a career in the IoT. The Introduction to the Internet of Things course, I2IoT, explains what the IoT is, what it does, how it is part of digital transformation, and how you can become part of this. You will learn about the exponential increase of intelligent devices connected to the Internet, and you will learn to program one of these intelligent devices. The course explains artificial intelligence and the impact of automation to our future. Lastly, you will understand the increased importance of privacy and security. Welcome to the Introduction to the Internet of Things course.
A global community.
A global community. When you participate in the Cisco Networking Academy, you are joining a global community linked by common goals and technologies. Schools, colleges, universities, and other entities in over 160 countries participate in the program. Look for the Cisco Networking Academy official site on Facebook Copyright and LinkedIn Copyright. The Facebook site is where you can meet and engage with other Networking Academy students from around the world. The Cisco Networking Academy LinkedIn site connects you with job postings, and you can see how others are effectively communicating their skills.
More than just information.
More than just information. The netacad.com learning environment is an important part of the overall course experience for students and instructors in the Networking Academy. These online course materials include course text and related interactive media, paper-based labs, and many different types of quizzes. All of these materials provide important feedback to help you assess your progress throughout the course. The material in this course encompasses a broad range of technologies that facilitate how people work, live, play, and learn by communicating with voice, video, and other data. Networking and the Internet affect people differently in different parts of the world. Although we have worked with instructors from around the world to create these materials, it is important that you work with your instructor and fellow students to make the material in this course applicable to your local situation.
How we teach.
How we teach e-doing is a design philosophy that applies the principle that people learn best by doing. The curriculum includes embedded, highly interactive e-doing activities to help stimulate learning, increase knowledge retention, and make the whole learning experience much richer, and that makes understanding the content much easier. Interactive activities are embedded within the chapters as checks for understanding. Some of these use drag and drop to complete the activity, Figure 1. Others use a checkbox method to complete them, Figure 2. You can check your score immediately. You can also reset and do the activity as many times as you like. Labs are activities that are designed to be performed on physical equipment, Figure 3. Some labs are written as class or small group activities that may or may not involve equipment. It is very important to learn and practice physical skills by using the labs in this course in preparation for a career in IT. Working on physical equipment not only develops skills, but also reinforces knowledge and builds confidence. This is very important as you move into the IT field. Packet tracer in the networking chapters. You will configure a simple network using Packet Tracer, the Networking Academy network simulation tool, Figure 4. Packet Tracer is a very robust tool that you will use regularly as you participate in more advanced networking courses. You will complete labs in Chapter 1 to download Packet Tracer, learn how to navigate in the package, and how to create simple networks. Assessments. Some chapters include topic assessments that are embedded into the curriculum and are meant entirely for self-evaluation. Each chapter in the course has an online chapter quiz, Figure 5. This is scored automatically, showing you the areas where you excel, as well as any areas where you may want to do some additional study or practice. There is an online, end-of-course final exam.
Course review. Course overview.
Course overview. The goal of this course is to explain the Internet of Things and digital technology and to highlight how these two factors are now part of a broader category called digital transformation. After completing this course, you will be able to do the following: explain the meaning and impact of digital transformation. Apply basic programming to support IoT devices. Explain how data provides value to digital business and society. Explain the benefits of automation in the digitized world. Explain the need for enhanced security in the digitized world. Discover opportunities provided by digital transformation.